Today on Divas Can Cook, it is all about these blueberry brownies. We love these things in my house and they are so easy to make. Let's go. Okay, I have some pureed blueberries here. I'm just going to place these right into my skillets. I'm going to simmer these just until it has reduced down to about a half a cup. And here's my half a cup right here. It's kind of thick because I put it in the fridge. Okay, so now we're going to move along. We're going to put our melted butter into a large bowl. And we're going to add in some sugar. Go ahead and dump that sugar in here. And you can do this whole recipe with a rubber spatula. No need to break out the mixer. Just get your little spatula and you're good to go. One bowl recipe. I love it. Go ahead and dump in those eggs. You want this mixture to be a nice uniform color, so we don't want any streaky eggs in there, so really mix it up good. I'm going to add in a tiny bit of vanilla extract, and you can add in blueberry extract if you want to, but it really doesn't need it. We're going to throw in some salt. Okay, go ahead and mix it in. And there's our blueberry puree. Yours will not be this thick, okay, so don't be alarmed. Okay, I like this part right here, you guys. I don't know, something about adding that blueberry and watching that beautiful color just spring forward. That beautiful purple color, I love it. No food coloring needed. Okay, now we're going to add in a little bit of flour. Not a lot because these brownies are, I guess they're technically blondies, but I like calling them brownies, okay? But they're so chewy and dense. I love the texture. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my batter into my pan. I have lined it with some parchment paper. We're going to dump all that batter in there, spread it out into an even little layer. We're going to bake these 325 for about 35 to 40 minutes. When it comes out, place it on a cooling rack to finish cooling off. Now I have already made a simple vanilla glaze, so once it's completely cooled off, I'm going to add on half of that glaze and spread it out into a nice even layer. And then once that glaze has hardened, I'm going to add on another layer of glaze. That way it's nice and thick and stuff. You'll have no little bald spots nowhere. So go ahead and spread that out and let that harden up, and then you can go ahead and just slice this bad boy into 16 little cute bars. And the texture, y'all, that texture is everything. It is so good. If you make this, let me know how you like it because it reminds me of that old school blueberry cereal. You remember that cereal? I used to love that cereal. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.